Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Welcome back, everyone! As the crisp autumn air starts to roll in and the leaves begin to change color, there's no better time to refresh your home with some cozy and charming fall farmhouse decor. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you 5 stunning fall farmhouse decor ideas that will inspire you to create a warm, inviting space that captures the essence of the season. Whether you're looking to add a few rustic touches or completely transform your home, these ideas will help you embrace the beauty of fall in the most stylish way. So, grab your favorite fall drink, and let's dive into these cozy and captivating decor ideas that will make your home feel like a true autumn retreat. Let's start with the first area of your home that welcomes both you and your guests, the entryway. A rustic farmhouse entryway sets the tone for the rest of your home and immediately invites that cozy fall feeling. Begin by placing a wooden or metal bench adorned with a few fall-themed cushions. A simple yet elegant wreath made of dried wheat, eucalyptus, or even mini pumpkins can hang on your door, instantly adding a seasonal touch. Don't forget to incorporate a charming doormat with a fall greeting like "Hello Pumpkin" or "Welcome Harvest" to make everyone feel at home as soon as they step inside. Consider adding a vintage-inspired lantern with a battery-operated candle to your entryway table. The soft, flickering light will create a warm and inviting atmosphere as the days grow shorter. A rustic crate filled with plaid blankets or a basket of pine cones can add texture and natural elements, making the space feel grounded and connected to the season. If you have space, an antique mirror or a chalkboard with a handwritten fall quote can be the perfect finishing touch, reflecting the farmhouse charm that we all love. Next, let's move into the living room, the heart of the home where family and friends gather. To create a stunning fall farmhouse living room, focus on adding layers of texture and warmth. Start with a neutral color palette as your base, think shades of cream, taupe, and soft gray. This will allow your fall accents to truly pop. Add a chunky knit throw in a deep orange or mustard yellow, and pair it with some plaid or burlap pillows to instantly cozy up your space. A statement piece, like a reclaimed wood coffee table or an oversized farmhouse clock, can serve as the focal point of the room. Decorate the coffee table with a rustic wooden tray filled with fall accents like mini pumpkins, dried leaves, and a few candles in amber or cinnamon scents. Don't forget to add some natural elements, like a vase filled with dried wheat or cotton stems, to bring in the beauty of the outdoors. To complete the look, hang some autumn-inspired artwork or a large rustic sign with a cozy quote like "Gather" or "Harvest Home." If you have a fireplace, decorate the mantle with a garland of faux fall leaves, mixed with string lights for a soft glow. The key to a farmhouse-style living room is to make it feel lived in and loved, so don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and layers to create that perfect cozy atmosphere. Now, let's talk about the kitchen, a space where farmhouse style truly shines. For a stunning fall farmhouse kitchen, start by incorporating natural materials like wood and stone, which bring warmth and authenticity to the space. A rustic wooden cutting board can double as a decorative piece when not in use, especially when topped with a bowl of fresh apples or pears, both staples of the fall harvest. Open shelving is a hallmark of farmhouse kitchens, and it's the perfect place to display your seasonal decor. Stack white ceramic dishes alongside mason jars filled with dried beans or lentils in autumnal colors. Add a few small pumpkins or gourds, and consider using antique tins or baskets to store your kitchen essentials in style. A galvanized metal tray filled with herbs such as rosemary or thyme not only looks beautiful but also keeps fresh ingredients within reach for fall cooking. Another great way to infuse fall into your kitchen is by swapping out your regular dish towels for ones with fall-themed prints, like leaves or pumpkins. Consider hanging a wreath made of dried oranges and cinnamon sticks on a cabinet door or above the stove to add a subtle scent of fall to your kitchen. And, of course, no farmhouse kitchen would be complete without a few wooden signs with quotes like "Farm Fresh" or "Pumpkin Spice Everything." Your dining room is another excellent place to showcase your love for farmhouse decor during the fall season. Start with a beautiful farmhouse table as the centerpiece of your dining room. If you don't have a farmhouse-style table, you can easily recreate the look by adding a rustic table runner made of burlap or linen. Create a stunning fall tablescape by layering different textures and materials. Begin with a neutral tablecloth, then add placemats made from natural fibers like jute or woven straw. For a pop of color, use napkins in rich autumn hues like burgundy or burnt orange. Place a simple white or cream-colored dinner plate at each setting, and top it with a mini pumpkin or a sprig of rosemary for an extra touch of fall. A large centerpiece is a must for a farmhouse dining room. Consider a long wooden box or a galvanized metal tray filled with a mix of faux pumpkins, candles, and eucalyptus. You can also use a rustic crate or basket filled with seasonal fruits like apples and pears, adding a natural and edible element to your decor. Finish off the look with some mason jars filled with candles or fall foliage, and you'll have a dining room that's ready for any fall gathering. Finally, let's create a cozy farmhouse bedroom retreat that's perfect for snuggling up on those cool fall nights. Start with your bedding. Opt for a neutral duvet or quilt in a soft, cozy material like flannel or brushed cotton. Add layers with plaid blankets, chunky knit throws, and pillows in warm, autumnal colors. Incorporate farmhouse furniture, like a reclaimed wood headboard or a vintage-inspired nightstand, to enhance the rustic charm of your bedroom. Decorate your nightstand with a small vase of dried flowers, a candle in a fall scent, and perhaps a favorite book to add a personal touch. If you have a bench at the foot of your bed, drape it with a cozy blanket or a faux fur throw to create an inviting space to relax. For the walls, consider hanging a large farmhouse-style sign with a cozy quote, or create a gallery wall with a mix of fall-inspired art and family photos in rustic frames. A wooden ladder can be a great addition to your bedroom, serving as both a decorative piece and a functional place to hang extra blankets. Don't forget to add some soft lighting with a table lamp or some string lights to make your bedroom feel warm and inviting. Before we move on to the next idea, I'd love to hear how you're planning to decorate your home this fall. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite fall decor ideas. Your support means so much and helps me bring more cozy content your way. As we wrap up today's video, I hope these 5 stunning fall farmhouse decor ideas have inspired you to refresh your home for the season. From cozy living rooms to charming entryways, these ideas will help you create a space that feels warm, inviting, and ready for fall. Remember, the key to farmhouse decor is to embrace natural materials, warm colors, and layers of texture to create a space that feels lived in and loved. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more home decor inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you found these ideas helpful, and be sure to leave a comment below sharing how you plan to decorate your home this fall. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, happy decorating!